Here's what we're going to do. Study the graph and help me read the questions carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet. Number 1. Which fruit has the greatest number of kilograms sold in 2 days? If your answer is lanzones, you are right. Number 2. How many kilograms of fruits were sold in day 1? The correct answer is 230 kilograms. Number 3. How many kilograms were sold in day 2? If your answer is 220 kilograms, you are right. Number 4. Which had more kilograms of fruits sold? Day 1 or day 2? And how many kilograms more? The correct answer is day 1 with 10 kilograms. So how did you do it? Did you get the correct answers? Great! We are here to learn, and learn. Today, we learn more about the interpreting data and solving problems, especially on how to solve routine and non-routine problems. Yes, we all did! Believe together we can! Kids, you have learned a lot today. So that concludes our lesson. This has been your teacher, Teacher RJ, reminding you in math, we find solutions to every problem. See you next time! This is Math Kuwela, right here on Zamboanga Eduk TV. Together we say, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa, Matatag! Here's what we're going to do. Study the graph and help me read.
Created using Powtoon.